Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. It's been 2 days and I haven't burned anything. I've been working on something that's really caught my attention. Trying to get Klipper installed on one of my Ender 5s. And it sounds very interesting. It does all kinds of things. But getting it to work is a totally different story. So far, I've got fluid to work. So Klipper needs to be installed with, I don't want to say an operating system, but something that controls it. So a lot of people do Octoprint. Um, but then you still got to do so much setup, and it's really not, in my opinion, documented very well. But so far I've got so I can actually move the printer. Um, I can do like a home. I can do a bed mesh. And I actually took me a day and a half to get the screen to work, and it's still not working too well. There we go. But for over almost 2 days, I had just a blank screen. And what you got to do is map everything to specific pins on the board you're using. I'm using a Big Tree Tech SKR Mini 2 Mini version something got 2. I'll put it in the description. But anyway, supposedly then all of the work is going to be moved to the Raspberry Pi from the actual control board. And it's a lot better computer, according to everybody's comments on it. But I'll keep you updated. I just wanted to show you this. I'm really happy to get this far. And this is all the paperwork I've had to print out just to go through and make notes. And I've used 3 or 4 computers on this. It's just it's like learning a different language. So hope you enjoy it, and I'll try to keep you updated.